trip.
Okay, so this part, we had planned this trip around Christmas time with our cousin, and we wanted to bring our toddlers to the snow for the first time. So we were like watching out, like, oh, what's the best weekend? We're watching the weather. The weather for this weekend that we went said it was going to be clear and good, and the storm actually had passed the Thursday before. So Thursday of that week, they're like, okay, the storm's no longer. And so we're like, okay, great, let's leave Saturday morning. So I was checking the weather every day for 2 weeks up until our trip, and then it didn't say anything about a blizzard. But lo and behold, knowing our luck, my family and we left an hour and a half later than what we were supposed to leave, like 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. And then my cousin had left already. She was ahead of us saying, oh, there's no snow, it looks great up here. And then we were like an hour behind, and then we had to charge. We actually charged a little longer in Placerville because we wanted our daughter to have like rest time to play at the McDonald's playground. And then as we were headed up the mountain, the snow started coming in, as you can see here in the video. We're just like, okay, hopefully it'll just pass. And according to the app, it looked like it was gonna pass in an hour. So we're like, okay, let's just drive. And then it just starts hella snowing, and so we stop at the Strawberry Lodge, and we're just like, okay, we'll wait it out. Then it just got worse, and it's pretty much white out, and I've never experienced it. Then I looked at the app, and literally it says blizzard happening right now. So I was like, oh my god, what are we gonna do? So like, okay, let's try to wait it out. Then it said it wasn't gonna wait like clear. So then my husband's like, we need to get chains. And I was like, it's getting dark, we need to get down the mountain so we can check into our hotel. And so he got chains installed at the Strawberry Lodge. My daughter got to experience her first snow, which is amazing because it was so fun. At this point in the snow, people were like driving in the middle of the lane. It's because it's a one-way lane on each side, right, going up and down the mountain. And then so people who were coming up the mountain, they were like stopped in the middle, damn near about to hit us. And then there's a few times that the windshield wipers froze up, and my husband had to open the window and stick his head out to see, but he couldn't see because it was snowing so bad. And then like the whole defrosting, the windshield was not working, so we're kind of panicking. But I was just like, okay, we need to talk ourselves through this. Like, I was scared, he was scared that we were gonna like drive off the mountain. Thankfully our daughter was like very calm and didn't have a tantrum, so that made it okay. But we were just like, oh my god, we're never gonna ever do this again. But it's crazy because we were checking the weather every day, like, and it didn't say anything about another storm after that first storm had passed. So yeah, it sucked.
Zaza, get off the floor.
Oh, she's giving kisses.